Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can do to be able to search for your handwritten notes on your viwoods AI paper. So let's go to my table cam, my scene cam. Here we have the AiPaper Mini and here we have the viwoods AiPaper Reader, but we start with the AiPaper Mini here. So let's open up the AiPaper Mini and we log in. Here we have the front page of the viwoods AiPaper Mini, and down below we have all the papers you have written. You can go to folders. I have a lot of folders here. We can do areas and so on. So here we have everything I write on the AiPaper Mini collected into different folders. So if I want to search for all my handwritten notes, how to do that? Because the viwoods AiPaper Mini doesn't have a search feature that works with handwritten notes. So what I do is to use Google Drive instead. So if I open Google Drive, here in this folder all my notes are stored automatically because I sync my AiPaper to Google Drive. So everything I write on the AiPaper Mini gets stored in this folder. So when you are in Google Drive, you can then use the excellent search feature in Google Drive. So just click anywhere from Google Drive on the search icon, and from here on the top we can search for whatever we want. So let's say I will search for viwoods. If we only do that except for clicking enter, you see some titles, but we want to search the PDFs for this word. So now I click search. Now it will search even in the notes itself. All your handwritten notes that you have done on your viwoods AI paper. So here we have everything I have written about viwoods. So here we will have everything I have done about the AiPaper Mini, and you see those that are the notes, these are not PDFs, so try to find a PDF to open instead. So here you find all the documents that have the word viwoods. You also see all the documents that has the word viwoods in the title, of course, but you also find all the documents that I have the word viwoods in it. So for example, open this. You see that I don't have the title of this document. You don't see any viwoods word, but anyway, it has find it. So I can open it up and I'm be sure that the word viwoods are in this document. So every handwritten note gets searchable in Google Drive. And it works great. I can search for Nasonex instead. It's a medicine I use at the moment. So now I find all the titles that has Nasonex, and I can click the search to find even more document. So you see my daily journal here, for example, has that word in it. You see the document about histamines, you see that word in it. And by the way, that histamine PDF, I think that's a knowledge base from my AiPaper Reader. So let's open that up to see if it's a knowledge base. Yes, as you see here, here is a knowledge base from my AiPaper Reader, this device. So if you have a knowledge base at the top here, you see you have a different knowledge bases here. All these also get searchable in Google Drive. So I can search for any text in this document in Google Drive. So that knowledge base I have stored in my AiPaper Reader also gets searched. As you see here, works great. So here we have all my daily notes about Nasonex. Let's open this one. As you see here, my handwritten note about Nasonex. Works great. So that is how I use Google Drive to be able to search for my handwritten notes. And as I said, it works great with the AiPaper Reader too, with the knowledge base you have here. Let's have the best like so. We can do so. We have the knowledge base here. We have all these. If you want to have them searchable in Google Drive too, the thing you will do is just long press on your book with all your knowledge, and then share, and then to your Google Drive account. Now it stores that in Google Drive, and it always updates that file. So if you add more information in these books you are storing information in, then they are updated on Google Drive when you share it again. So it will not have a duplicate of the file, it will always replace it with a new one. So for example, this I have 19 pages in this, sorry, 10 pages, 10 of 10, 17 pages in that. So this book has 17 pages, and you can go forward and back with the volume buttons in your book about this. And all these are stored on Google Drive too. So if we now go into Google Drive, let's say we open up the AiPaper Mini again. Of course you can use the Google Drive on the AiPaper Reader too, but if we now search for the knowledge base file, you see there, we can open it to show you. Here we have that knowledge base, all the information in that. So this works really great. You can search for all your information in all these documents that you have. So it works great actually. So we can search for let's try that word. As you see, I search for a word here, and that PDF shows up with all the information about that word. So that is the fact knowledge base from my AiPaper Reader, and it works. So you can definitely use the Google Drive to search for all your handwritten notes and also your knowledge base from the AiPaper Reader. So all your knowledge bases here. And how do I add stuff that I want to look up? So let's say we are in co-reader here. We open the book I'm reading at the moment, a Swedish book. Here, let's say if I want to have more information about something here, we search for that word. Now it starts a dictionary as usual, but if you want to have that copied and pasted, you can search for that and do 2 words and then copy it. Now I can click the AI button, and in here we can paste it and remove that word you don't want. Now we can get facts about this word from this AI. Let's say, vad betyder det? As an example. So now I ask the AI what that means, and now I get what that means in Swedish. And you can do this with English words too and have that translated automatically into your language. So if I want to store this in a knowledge base now, I just click on that. Here I can create a new notebook or knowledge base, or I can choose one that I already have. So let's say I will have this in my dictionary. I click on the dictionary. Here I can add a note about it, and then I click save. So now I have saved that in that knowledge base. As you see here, it's on the top now. So now I can open the dictionary knowledge base, and find exactly that in the last page. So we need to go to the last page to see that. Here you see that. That was what I stored in the knowledge base. So now if I want to have this searchable in Google Drive on any device, I just long press on this and click share and choose my Google Drive account. And now it stores all 25 pages in Google Drive. So now I can open up Google Drive on this there, and I will find that document here, as you see there. So now if I search, I think that was the word. As you see, it finds that in the dictionary file. So when I open the dictionary file, I know that this word will be in this document. So that is how you can search for your handwritten notes and also your knowledge base from AiPaper Reader. I think that's it for this video, and that is how I do to store information, search for handwritten notes and store information that will be searchable. So Google Drive can be used for all that. If you prefer to have everything searchable, that is a nifty way to do it. Okay, bye.